Students, we are already started with the electronics paper 2, that is digital electronics. So let us proceed. So let us continue with the second topic, that is logic gate session second. In the previous episode of digital electronics, three basic gates we have seen, that is NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate were discussed. The Boolean equation for NOT gate is y is equals to a bar, AND gate y is equals to a and b, and for OR gate y is equals to a plus b. Using these gates, the other gates can be derived. These logic gates are called as derived gates. Derived gates. Derived gates can be constructed by combination of two or more basic gates. They are of three types: NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate. Let us study them one by one. Now let us see how we can derive NAND gate from basic gates. Let us start with the AND gate. This is a two input AND gate, A and B. So the Boolean equation for AND gate is A and B followed by a NOT gate to give an output Y, which is not AB or AB bar. This derived gate is called as a NAND gate. So let us see the logical symbol of a NAND gate. It is an AND gate followed by a bubble after the AND gate. This circle is called as bubble. So after AND gate, so it becomes NAND. Now let us see the Boolean equation. The Boolean equation for NAND gate is y is equals to a dot b bar or ab bar. The logical expression of the NAND gate is given by ab bar. The NAND gate has two or more inputs but only one output. If we see the truth table, the output of NAND gate is simply the complement of the AND gate. So let us see the truth table. Here we have two inputs. So how many combinations of 1 and 0? 4 combination. In previous session we have seen the formula. If there are two inputs, then the formula 2 raised to n is equals to m. So 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 4 combination in terms of zeros and 1. So what are the combinations? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For NAND gate, the output is 0 into 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 0 0 1 and 1 1. So the NAND is nothing but A B bar, that is complement of AND. NAND is complement of AND. So complement when A is 0 and B is 0. So what will be the NAND output? 0 bar. 0 bar. 0 bar means 1. 0 ka ulta 1. So when the input are 0 and 1, again it is 0 complement, that is 1. The third condition, when A is 1 and B is 0, the 0 bar, that is 1. Last condition, when A is 1 and B is 0, we get 1. So 1 complement is 0. So here we have seen when both the inputs of a NAND gate is high, then the output is low. Otherwise the output is high. So let us see here the logic diagram. 1 1 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. So its output becomes low only when all its inputs are high. So output goes low only when the inputs are high. Otherwise it is 1. Now let us see how the NOR gate is derived from OR gate and NOT gate. So NOR gate is the combination of OR gate and NOT gate. OR gate is followed by NOT gate and is a NOT or NOR gate. The output Y is the complement of OR gate output. What is the OR gate output? A plus B. NOR gate का output क्या? A plus B bar. Let us see the logic symbol of NOR gate. It has two or more inputs but only one output. So the Boolean equation is Y is equals to A or B bar. Let us look at its truth table. When both the inputs A and B are at logic 0, the output of OR gate is 0. OR gate is 0 but NOT gate is 1. A plus B bar. So 0 bar 1. For all other combinations of the inputs the OR gate is 1. So NOR gate क्या होगा? Let us see. 0 or 1, 1. 1 complement is 0. 1 or 0. A or B is 1. 1 complement is 0. 1 or 1, 1. 1 bar is 0. So here we see that when both the inputs are low, then only the NOR gate output is high. Otherwise, the output is low. So its outputs becomes high only when all its inputs are low. For example, washing machine has two sensors. One sensor check if the lid is open. If lid is open, let us consider as logic 1. If the lid is closed, the sensor generate logic 0. अगर lid open रह गया तो it will be considered as logic 1. अगर lid close है तो it will be considered as logic 0. Another sensor produces a high or logic 1 when the water level is minimum. उसमें जो पानी है अगर minimum है तो it will generate high. If the water level is optimatic, it will give 0. अगर water level optimum है बराबर है then it will give 0. Thus the output goes to NOR gate. तो उसका किधर दोनों सेंसर का किधर जाता है? Goes to the input of the NOR gate. And the output of the NOR gate is connected to main switch. During normal operation, when the lid is closed and water level is okay, then the machine will work. If the lid is open, that is this case, open, or the water level is minimum, then the NOR gate output goes 0 and the main circuit is not connected. So that is the application where the NOR gate is used. Now let us see the third derived gate, that is XOR gate. It is also called as exclusive OR gate. It is a special type of gate in digital electronics. It is used in many applications in combinational circuit because of low power consumption. It is defined as the logic circuit whose output becomes high only when its both inputs are unequal. So when the inputs are different, then only the output is high. So let us see the Boolean equation. Y is equals to A XOR B. This symbol, the plus sign is surrounded by the circle. That is XOR operation is represented by a plus sign surrounded by a circle. That is called as XOR. Okay, it can be rewrite as A bar B or A B bar. Let us see the logic symbol. So it is just a extension of a OR gate. So it has two or more inputs but only one output. A and B are the inputs and Y is equals to A XOR B. So truth table AB, two inputs, so four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So XOR gate, as per the definition, only the output is high only when odd number of inputs are high or odd number of inputs are high or the inputs are different 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now let us see the simplify this how we get 0 1 and 1 0 1. So here So a is equals to 0. So what will be a bar? 1. b 1 है तो b bar क्या है? 0. Substitute this in this equation. Y is equals to a bar b or a b bar. So what is a bar? 1. 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0. So 1 or 0, that is 1. So when the input is 0 1, we get 1. Similarly, when the variables are 1 0, we get 1. So here we have a different cases where all the combinations of zeros and ones. When a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0, we get the output as 0. So when we substitute this value of a and b, we get output is equals to 0, or a XOR b, that is 0 XOR 0, that is 0. Similarly, when we take the condition, the input condition as 0 1, we get the y output as 1. 1 0, we get the output as 1. Again, when a and b are equal, the output is 0. So when the inputs are different, the output will be high. Now let us see how to construct XOR gate using basic gate. In board exam, the question comes, define XOR gate and construct XOR gate using basic gate. Define the XOR gate. When the output is high only when the inputs are different or the inputs are odd. Either 0 1 है या 1 0 है, then only we get the output high. Now let us see how to construct the XOR gate. So what is the Boolean equation of XOR gate? Y is equals to a bar dot b or a b bar. A b bar. So let us see how to construct this. So first we require a bar, a complement. Which gate gives us the complement? The NOT gate. B, again we want the complement. Which gates? Again NOT gate. So the a bar dot b. So dot means which gives us the AND. So a bar and b bar. So they are combined with the AND gate. And then the two terms are combined with which gate? OR gate. So we require a NOT gate, AND gate and a OR gate. So let us see how to draw. So first A का complement A bar, B complement B bar. Now we got A bar. Now we want what? A bar and B. And so we require AND gate. So here and B. So here A bar and B. So A bar and B, that what will be the output? A bar B. A bar B. Similarly, the second expression A B bar. A and B bar. So we want A and B bar as an input to the AND gate. So we have B bar and A. So let's see A. So here A into B bar. So output is A B bar. A B bar. Now these two terms are combined with the OR gate. So combined with OR gate. So we got the expression y is equals to a bar b or a b bar. Truth table. So a b y is equals to a XOR b. So only the output is high when odd numbers of inputs are high. So this way we have seen how to construct the XOR gate using basic gates. Let us see the next topic, De Morgan's theorem. The De Morgan's law. This law is about the group complementation. There are two theorems, first theorem and second theorem. Let us state the first theorem. It states that complement of logical sum is equals to logical sum a plus b. A plus B complement is equal to the product is and multiplication product of its complements of the input A bar and B bar. So A plus B the whole bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. Okay, so when we break this bar, so what it becomes, let us see individual. A का क्या हो जाएगा, a bar plus bar, तो plus bar the operator changes to and or dot, a multiplication. So plus bar is dot multiplication and then b bar. So when we break the bar, we get a bar dot b bar. Now let us see the logic diagram of this statement. Left hand side we will see the diagram and we will draw an equivalent diagram for the right hand side. Now left hand side, what you can you recollect किसका ये boolean equation है? This is a boolean equation for NOR gate. A plus B किसका है? OR gate. बार आया तो क्या होगा? NOR gate. So left hand side we can represent by a NOR gate whose output is A plus B bar. Now right hand side we have none of our gate has such a boolean equation. So we have to modify. We want AND gate and we require a NOT gate. A bar के लिए we require a NOT gate. B bar के लिए again we require, and these two terms are combined by a AND gate. So here we AND gate and two NOT gate combined by a two NOT gate, so that we get the output as A bar dot B bar. So equivalent circuit. This can be redrawn by a bubbled AND gate. So bubbled AND gate, A यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा after the bubble, A bar, B bar. So then AND, A का A bar मिला, B का B bar मिला. So this is the AND operation. So it is A bar dot B bar. So the NOR is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. So NOR is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. Now we have seen the first theorem statement, the logical equation and logic diagram. Now let us verify the first theorem by proof, like proof by truth table. So here we have two variables A and B. The left hand side is A or B bar, then right hand side A bar B bar, and right hand side A bar and B bar. So the two variables 0 0 0 or 0 0 or 0 0 0 bar is 1, 0 1, so 0 or 1, that is 1 bar, that is 0, 1 0, that is 1 or 0 bar, so that is 1 bar, that is 1 bar is 0. Last one, 1 or 1, that is 1 bar, that is 0. So left hand side we got as A or B bar, that is 1 0 0 0. So for only 0 0 condition the output is high. Now the right hand side, first we have to complement the input. A है तो we want A bar, so A bar, so A complement 0 bar 1, 0 bar 1, 1 bar 0 and 1 bar 0. So what we got, A bar 1 1 0 0. Similarly we will take the complement of B. So B is 0 0 bar 1, 1 bar 0, 0 bar 1 and 1 bar, that is 0. So B bar is 1 0 1 0. Now we'll take the AND, A and B, that is 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0, 0 and 0 0. So here we got the right hand side as 1 1 0 0. So we can see that left hand side, that is A or B bar, and right hand side A bar and B bar are equal. See, they are coming equal. So thus we have verified the theorem, that is the left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now let us see the second theorem, the statement. It states that complement of product is equal to the sum of the complements. Complement of product A dot B is equal to sum of its complement A bar or B bar. This is a Boolean equation for the second theorem. So AB the whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. Now let us see the logical diagram for this equation. Now A dot B bar or A and B bar is represented by which boolean, which gate? It is represented by your NAND gate. NAND gate का boolean expression क्या है? AB bar. So the left hand side is represented by a NAND gate. Now let us see right hand side. None of our gates has a boolean equation of this type. So we have to modify it. So what we want? A bar, we want B bar, and they are combined with the OR operator. So we require A ka A bar. Which gate will give me the complement? The NOT gate. So here A bar, A ka A bar by NOT gate, B bar, and they are combined with which gate? OR gate. So OR gate. So what we get? A bar or B bar. Now this can be represented by a bubbled OR gate. So यहाँ पे A का A bar आएगा, B का B bar आएगा, and OR gate. So it is A bar or B bar. So that is bubbled OR gate. So NAND gate can be, it is equals to the bubbled OR gate. Now we have seen the statement of the second theorem, then the logic the equation, then the logic diagram. Now let us prove the theorem with the help of truth table. Here we have two input variables A and B. So four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Left hand side is AB bar. So let us first find AB bar left hand side expression. So 0 into 0 bar, that is 0. 0 into 1 bar, that is 0 into 1, 0. 0 bar is 1. Then 1 into 0, that is again 0. 0 bar is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. 1 bar is equals to 0. So we got the left hand side as 1 1 1 0. For the right hand side, first we have to take the complement of the input variable, that is A. A complement we have to take. So complement of A, 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement 0 and 1 complement 0. So we got A bar 1 1 0 0. Similarly, we take the complement of the B input, that is B 0 bar 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 complement is 0. So now A plus B bar. So A bar and B bar, 1 or 1 1, the right hand side, 1 or 1 1, 1 or 0 1, 0 or 1 1 and 0 or 0 0. So here we got right hand side 1 1 1 0. From left hand side and right hand side table we can see that the two tables are equal. So thus we proved that the left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence the proof for second theorem. Let us summarize the De Morgan's theorem A plus B the whole bar. We will break the bar equally so that the variables will get complemented and inverts the logical operation. So variable A bar, the complement OR, that is and B bar. So OR to negative AND. Second theorem AB the whole bar, again we'll break the bar equally, so we get the variable A bar and B bar, and NAND operation, when it is inverted we get an OR operation. So NAND to negative OR. Let us see with the help how this De Morgan's theorem we can use to solve the Boolean equation. So here we have a equation A plus BC bar the whole bar. We have two complement term. We have two complement term. Student, always start with the bigger complement first. So we'll break the complement equally. So A bar we got here and we got BC double bar, and the operator OR operator got changed to AND operator. Now this term is in double complement form. Hence the first complement inverts the term and the second complement revert it to original. Hence the complement disappear. So what we get? A bar dot BC. A bar and BC. So the expression, we have simplified the given Boolean expression A B C bar whole bar equals to A bar dot BC. So student, we came to the end of the logic gate session 2. In this we have seen derived gates, then we have seen De Morgan's theorem, first and second theorem. By using De Morgan's theorem, how to simplify the Boolean equation. Very important question comes, state and explain De Morgan's theorem. In that you have to explain both the theorem statement, the logic equation, the logic diagram and the proof. Okay, thank you.